I first invested in Tesla around 2014 or 2015, becoming one of the largest owners of its convertible debt at the time. I believe that it was the safest bet to make on Tesla's long-term success, and it has certainly proven to be a remarkable winner. I've always had faith in what Elon Musk is doing. He is, without a doubt, one of the most significant entrepreneurs of our time. For years, it has taken people time to embrace the idea that Tesla was not just a car company, but would eventually emerge as a major player in various industries. When I underwrote my investment, I saw Tesla's potential beyond just building cars. I saw it as a much broader arc of innovation. I think it will take another 5 to 10 years for most people to fully realize the scale of what Tesla is building. That's because Tesla is no longer simply a car manufacturer. It's becoming a massive force in energy and beyond. Tesla is now positioned to disrupt the energy industry, which is tightly regulated and has traditionally been a safe, steady market. Utilities spend vast amounts of money every year, often without facing consequences for environmental damage or other issues. Take PG&E, for instance, a utility company that caused significant environmental damage but still managed to avoid major repercussions due to its regulated status. However, what nobody saw coming is the bottom-up disruption that Tesla is leading in the energy space. The shift will not come through legislation or new regulations. It will be driven by individuals and households installing solar panels, hydroelectric systems, batteries, and software solutions that allow people to live off the grid. Eventually, excess energy from individual homes will be fed back into the grid, enabling a decentralized energy infrastructure that will drastically change the way we consume energy. This, in my view, is the next phase of Tesla's innovation and what will allow it to become a multi-trillion-dollar company. Now, in terms of stock price, we all know that the current valuation doesn't reflect the same upside potential it had when it was priced at $25 to $30 per share years ago. That doesn't mean that it cannot grow exponentially from where it is today. The reality is that Tesla is positioning itself at the heart of a much bigger trend, which is the democratization of information. Retail investors now have access to almost as much information as those working at traditional investment firms, making it easier for them to assess investment opportunities accurately. The result has been a massive tension between Tesla's bulls and bears, with the bulls focusing on long-term electrification and the bears trying to nitpick the company's balance sheet. However, the short-sighted attempts to bet against Tesla have only led to huge losses for those trying to short its stock. As Tesla becomes part of the S&P 500, it is clear that the company is leading the charge in the shift toward electrification and decarbonization. Here's the important thing that many of the bears overlook. The story is no longer about cars. The electrification of transportation is just the first wave of growth. Tesla is now betting on a much larger transformation of the energy sector. For me, one of the most compelling developments is Tesla's energy business. It has become profitable and is developing software that allows virtually anyone to become a distributed utility. This means that individual households equipped with Tesla's battery systems and solar panels will be able to generate and store their own energy. It's a monumental shift in how energy is consumed and distributed. At first, people will be skeptical, and many will try to resist the change. But the reality is, Tesla is revolutionizing the energy sector in ways that no one anticipated. The company's success in the energy space will only make it stronger, and in time, the world will recognize the importance of what Tesla is doing. This is about more than just clean cars. It's about a clean, sustainable future where everyone can produce and consume energy independently. Looking at Tesla's stock today, the market is still catching up with its potential. Yes, it's not the same value proposition it was when the stock was priced at $25 per share, but there is still significant upside potential. Tesla's market is no longer just about cars. It's about decarbonization, energy independence, and innovation on a global scale. It's a company with the potential to redefine the energy industry and take its place at the center of the movement toward a sustainable future. From an investor's perspective, it's important to recognize the shift happening in the stock market. Retail investors have access to more information than ever before, and they can often make more informed decisions than traditional investment firms. Tesla has shown time and time again that it is a company that has been undervalued by those who focus solely on short-term metrics and stock prices. The reality is, Tesla is executing a much larger plan, one that will redefine how we think about energy and transportation. If you look at the broader trend of electrification, Tesla is at the forefront, dominating this space. It's not just about selling cars. It's about the entire ecosystem of energy generation and storage. Tesla's battery technology, coupled with its solar products, is positioned to disrupt utilities worldwide. With this new business model, Tesla is becoming much more than just an electric vehicle manufacturer. It's transforming into a distributed energy powerhouse. The world is waking up to the importance of clean energy, and Tesla is leading that charge. This, in my opinion, is what makes Tesla one of the most exciting investment opportunities out there. While there are still those who bet against the company and criticize its leadership or execution, the fact remains that Tesla is executing exactly as planned. Elon Musk's vision is slowly becoming a reality, and as long as Tesla continues to innovate and scale its energy business, the upside for investors is enormous. Tesla's growth story isn't just about a car company. It's about a paradigm shift in how we produce and consume energy. And as more and more people realize this, Tesla will continue to be at the center of this transformation. While it may not be the easiest stock to track or predict in the short term, for long-term investors, there is immense value in staying the course and betting on Tesla's ability to disrupt industries and change the world. In the coming years, as Tesla continues to expand its energy business and develop new technologies, we are likely to see significant growth. The company has already revolutionized the automotive industry, and now it is setting its sights on reshaping the global energy market. The impact of this transformation will be felt across the globe, and those who are invested in Tesla's vision will reap the rewards. At the end of the day, Tesla's success is not just about the cars it makes. It's about its role in creating a sustainable, decarbonized future for the world. Whether or not you agree with Elon Musk's style or the company's approach, one thing is certain: Tesla is leading the way in a movement that will change the world for the better. And as an investor, there's no better time to get behind this vision.